Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to convert any video to MP3. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, go to App Store and the search bar, search for video to MP3, convert. Then scroll down and search for MP3 converts video to audio. Then open it and then tap gallery and select your video. For example, let's select this one and select MP3, then tap convert. Perfect. Then tap share and scroll down and tap save to files. Tap browser, tap on my iPhone, and you can here change the name of your file. For example, my audio, and tap save. Perfect. And now go to your files, and this is the MP3. Perfect. So thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.